Welcome to Rio de Janeiro, Brazil, a city where every sunrise feels like a celebration and every sunset paints the sky with vibrant colors. Here, vibrant city life meets breathtaking natural beauty, creating a unique energy that pulses through every street and shoreline. Today, we're exploring Leblon Beach, a more relaxed and upscale alternative to the famous Ipanema and Copacabana, where sophistication and tranquility blend seamlessly. Leblon is where locals, known as cariocas, come to unwind in a setting that's both exclusive and welcoming, offering a true taste of Rio's laid-back luxury. Picture golden sand stretching into the sparkling Atlantic, with the iconic Dois Irmãos Mountains as a breathtaking backdrop, nature's masterpiece on full display. The vibe here is calm and sophisticated, a perfect escape from the city's bustle, where you can truly relax and recharge. Families and friends gather, the gentle waves and soft chatter creating a peaceful soundtrack that invites you to slow down and savor the moment. Leblon's charm lies in its harmonious blend of urban energy and tranquil nature, where city skyscrapers meet the soothing rhythm of the sea. It's less about wild parties, more about savoring simple moments by the sea, reading a book, sharing laughter, or just soaking in the view. The urban skyline, lush mountains, and vast ocean come together to create a scene that's truly unforgettable and uniquely Rio. This is Rio at its best, a perfect harmony of city and nature, where every visit feels like a new discovery. Join me as we discover why Leblon Beach is a must-visit destination for travelers seeking both relaxation and inspiration. We'll explore its pristine sands, taste delicious snacks from local vendors, and meet the people whose warmth and friendliness make this place truly special. Leblon is more than a spot to sunbathe. It's a cultural experience, alive with music, sports, and the spirit of Rio. Connect with the local lifestyle, whether you're jogging along the promenade or simply soaking up the sun. Here, you'll create memories that last a lifetime, surrounded by joy, laughter, and the beauty of the Brazilian coast. Get ready to fall in love with the irresistible charm and peaceful spirit of Leblon Beach, your chic seaside escape in Rio. Leblon's sand is soft and golden, perfect for a stroll or a swim. The beach is wide and never feels crowded, even on busy days. Locals take pride in keeping it clean and inviting. The waves here are gentle, making it ideal for families and swimmers of all ages. The water's blue-green hue is irresistible, especially on a sunny day. Palm trees line the promenade, adding to the tropical vibe. The crowd is a mix of local residents, families, and travelers seeking a calmer beach experience. People read, listen to music, and chat with friends. There's a sense of community and relaxation. Leblon's atmosphere is about unwinding and savoring the moment. It's a sophisticated, peaceful crowd that makes the beach feel safe and welcoming. This is the heart of the Leblon experience. What sets Leblon apart? Its family-friendly atmosphere is key. At Baixo Bebê, a playground on the sand, kids play safely while parents relax. Leblon is known for being one of Rio's safest and cleanest beaches, thanks to its exclusive neighborhood and visible security. Beach vendors here are polite, offering everything from sunscreen to kangas and snacks. Rent chairs and umbrellas from the numbered kiosks, or barracas, which also serve cold drinks and treats right to your spot. Sports are part of the culture. Watch or join in on beach volleyball, foot volley, or a jog along the promenade. The pace is relaxed, and the games are fun to watch. The active, health-conscious vibe is inspiring. Leblon blends relaxation and activity in a way that's uniquely carioca. It's a place where everyone, from families to fitness enthusiasts, feels at home. The sense of safety and community is a huge draw. This is quintessential Leblon. No beach day in Brazil is complete without amazing food and drinks, and Leblon delivers in style. Here the flavors are as vibrant as the scenery, and every meal feels like a celebration of Rio's beach culture. Try Globo biscuits, a crunchy sweet Rio classic, or queijo coalho, grilled cheese on a stick, hot and salty. These snacks are iconic, and you'll spot vendors weaving through the sand calling out to beachgoers. Stay cool with fresh coconut water, chopped open right before your eyes. It's the ultimate refreshment, perfect for sipping as you watch the waves roll in. Or grab a bowl of acai topped with granola and fruit for a healthy energy boost. This superfood treat is a favorite among locals and visitors alike, fueling your day in the sun. The promenade is lined with cafes and juice bars, perfect for a casual lunch with ocean views. Take a seat, relax, and soak in the laid-back vibe that makes Leblon so special. Sample Brazilian dishes, like feijoada or fresh grilled fish, and don't miss the exotic fruit juices. Each bite is a taste of Brazil's rich culinary heritage, bursting with flavor and color. For a true local experience, visit Joby Bar, a beloved boteco since the 1950s. It's a gathering spot for friends, families, and anyone looking to enjoy authentic Rio nightlife. Enjoy ice-cold chop and classic appetizers like pastéis or codfish cakes. These small bites are perfect for sharing and pair perfectly with a sunset drink. The lively, friendly atmosphere is the perfect way to end your beach day. As the sun sets, the energy only grows, with laughter and music filling the air. Food and drink are central to Leblon's culture, bringing people together from all walks of life. Every bite and sip connects you to the spirit of Rio, making memories that last long after the day is done. Come hungry. You'll want to try it all, from street snacks to elegant meals. This is beachside dining at its best, where every meal is a celebration of life by the sea. The people of Leblon Beach give it its unique character. Locals treat the beach as their backyard, meeting friends and neighbors in a relaxed, authentic setting. Families are everywhere, parents playing with kids, grandparents relaxing, everyone enjoying together. The Baixo Bebê area is always buzzing with laughter and play. Tourists from around the world come for Leblon's beauty and safety, adding a cosmopolitan flair. You'll hear many languages and see friendly interactions between locals and visitors. Athletes and fitness enthusiasts fill the promenade, jogging, cycling, practicing yoga, or playing foot volley. Their energy is inspiring and part of the karaoke lifestyle. Leblon is a true melting pot. Community, family, and global travelers all sharing the same stretch of sand. The result is a welcoming, vibrant atmosphere. This is what makes Leblon feel alive. Leblon's story begins with Charles Leblon, a French businessman who owned a fish farm here in the 1800s. Back then, this area was remote farmland and sand dunes, a far cry from today's chic beachfront. The name stuck, and as Rio expanded, Leblon transformed into an exclusive neighborhood. Tunnels built in the early 20th century made the area accessible, attracting wealthy families and elegant homes. Leblon became known for privacy and sophistication, a legacy that endures. Rio's beaches have always been public spaces where everyone mingles, and Leblon is no exception. The beach culture was immortalized in the bossa nova era, with songs like "The Girl from Ipanema." Today, Leblon features in TV shows and movies, symbolizing glamour and the good life. But beyond the image, it remains a true public space, a stage for daily life. From family outings to athletic matches, Leblon is a living piece of Rio's history and culture. Leblon Beach offers something for every mood, blending the laid-back spirit of Rio with a vibrant energy that's hard to resist. For pure relaxation, rent a chair and umbrella, listen to the waves, and let your worries melt away. The gentle ocean breeze and rhythmic sound of the surf create the perfect setting to unwind, read a book, or simply soak up the sun. Take a leisurely walk along the shoreline. Leblon connects seamlessly with Ipanema for a longer stroll. The soft sand beneath your feet and the endless horizon invite you to slow down and savor the moment. Early mornings and late afternoons are the best times, with soft light and stunning views of the Two Brothers Mountains. The sky transforms into a canvas of colors, making every visit feel special. Feeling active? The beachfront bike path is perfect for cycling, skating, or running. Palm trees line the way, and the ocean breeze keeps you cool as you move. Join locals for a jog, or watch a lively game of foot volley or beach tennis. These sports are a beloved part of Rio's beach culture, and you'll often see friendly matches happening all day long. The ocean is ideal for swimming or floating, and stand-up paddleboarding offers a unique view of the coast. Glide across the water and take in the sweeping scenery from a new perspective. Rent a board near the canal and paddle out for a new perspective. It's a peaceful way to explore the shoreline and spot marine life beneath the surface. Whether you want to relax or get moving, Leblon has you covered. The beach's unique atmosphere brings together people of all interests and backgrounds. The beach is a playground for all ages and energy levels. Families, friends, and solo visitors all find their own way to enjoy this vibrant stretch of sand. Every activity is set against a backdrop of natural beauty, with the iconic mountains and sparkling ocean always in view. Here, recreation and relaxation go hand in hand, creating a unique harmony that defines the Leblon experience. There's always something to enjoy, no matter your pace. From sunrise to sunset, the beach buzzes with life and laughter. That's the magic of Leblon, a place where every visit feels like a new adventure, and every moment is yours to savor. Want the best Leblon experience? Here are some tips. Visit early morning or late afternoon for fewer crowds and beautiful light. Weekdays are quieter. Weekends are lively with local families. Rent chairs and umbrellas from the numbered barracas. They'll set you up and serve food and drinks all day. Bring sunscreen, a hat and sunglasses. The sun is strong. Stay hydrated with coconut water and try the grilled cheese from beach vendors. For a bigger meal, order sandwiches or seafood salads from your barraca. Carry some cash, as not all vendors accept cards. Leblon is safe, but don't leave valuables unattended. Swim in shifts or ask a neighbor to watch your things. Most people are friendly and happy to help. Follow these tips for a worry-free, relaxing day. Enjoy the beauty, food, and fun that make Leblon unforgettable. Make the most of every moment on this special beach. In a city of iconic beaches, Leblon stands out for its quiet confidence and sophisticated charm. It's the essence of the Carioca lifestyle, relaxed, sun-kissed, and welcoming. Leblon is more than a beach, it's a cultural immersion, a place where beauty and community thrive. The view of the Two Brothers Mountains, golden sand and swaying palms is unforgettable. But Leblon's true beauty is in its atmosphere, safe, serene, and full of life. Here, you can truly unwind, connect with nature, and feel at home. Make time for Leblon on your Rio trip. Walk its shores, taste its flavors, and breathe its peaceful air. You'll leave with more than a tan. You'll leave with memories and a sense of peace. Leblon is a place to love, a Brazilian paradise that stays with you long after you leave. Come see why Leblon captures the heart.